Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your YouTube recommendation. Remember that this process can be done in a computer or a phone. First of all, we're going to go to youtube.com. Doing this process helps you maintain security in your YouTube account and also can prevent that some of the searches you have done appears in your recommendations. Sometimes you have to click on your icon picture. There you have to click on settings, and here you have to go all the way down, and there you're going to find history. But in this case, we're going to find history on the left side. Here we're going to have all our search history. And now, as you can see on the right, you're going to have some different options. This will help the performance of your search, since in some cases, a very extensive search history will slow down your browser. And it will also help you to have a cleaner and more organized account. Now we're going to click on Clear All Watch History, and this window will open. Here it will let you know that your video recommendations will be reset, but it can still be influenced by activity on the other Google accounts. Then we're going to click on Clear Watch History, and there you go. If you have other YouTube accounts, you can do the same process. Remember that this is good for your accounts and that the searches you do in one will possibly be reflected in the others. This process will also reduce the amount of information that Google and YouTube have about your searches and viewing. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!